Once the song is recalled, students will get a song dot score. They have made song dots themselves for this pattern in a previous class. Now they must read through each score and select the one that matches the pattern. Through a careful listening, tracking, and tapping process, they will add stems and beams to the note heads.
This group, do you feel brave enough to start? Yes. Okay. And the tempo is this. Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie ready?
Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie?
Do-day, do-da-day-da, do-day, do. Listen very closely. Do-day, do-da-day-da, do-day, do. What do you hear in that whole phrase? So as though you were doing a sentence. Oh, Hannah.
Do-day, do-da-day-da, do-day, do.
Okay, Emily.
Do-day, do-day, do-da, do-day, do.
Callista.
Do-day, do-da-day-da, do-day, do.
Does her sound like mine? I think she's got it. I would like you to sing out loud, checking those dots using the Gordon language, and see which idea is the cadence we've been singing. Go ahead, check it out. It's how the dots are grouped together. Anna.
I think it's idea B.
Idea B. And tell me why, Anna.
Because the rhythm kind of matches with how the dots are grouped.
Okay. Do-day, do-da-day-da, do-day, do. Certainly all of the dots are there with my finger, correct? All right. But did it feel like they were grouped in bunches according to what I was saying? All right. Let's try this last one. Do-day, do-da-day-da, do-day, do. Now, Mackenzie, did you feel like they were grouped as I sang them? Okay. So do we think that it is idea A or idea B, everybody?
Idea B.
Idea B. Let's check it. Ready, singing and dotting together. Do-day, do-da-day-da, do-day, do. Serenity, you just knew it off the top of your head. Which group of dots did you think were together quicker?
For the second one.
The second one, Serenity says here, so dots 3, 4, 5, and 6 are the quicker moving ones. Is everybody feeling that same way? You're right. This is correct. This is the group of quicker moving ones. Let's add a stem to each one of those. On the right side, now if we want to group those together, we connect them together with a beam. So a line connecting together at the top. We need to add another beam. This is a beamed 16th note pattern. Now let's look at these dots again and see if are they all moving at this as quick as this one right here. Okay, so Serenity, what are you noticing?
The group of 4 moves way faster than the other 3.
So the other 3 are moving how?
Slower.
They're slower. Do you think they're all equally slow, or do you think there might be one that's even slower? William,
One that's even slower.
let's check it and see if we can find it. Ready? Bum, 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 bum. Oh, let's try it again together. Ready? Bum, 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 bum. Yes.
I think the last one's longer than the 2 before it.
So you feel as though this is the longer one. What led you to believe that?
Because when you went like this,
Ah.
you made it longer.
Josh noticed my hand go longer. Will you sing with me this time? Do-day, do-da-day-da, do-day, do. Did it feel longer?
Yeah.
Yes, it is the longest one. And this is a quarter note, and it has 1 stem. It is our longest note. The other dots that are left, let's check and see how they are moving. Let's see, are they as long as this one? Are they as quick as these? Okay. Callista's giving me sign language. She's saying they're half. They're somewhere in between. Let's check with our hands. Ready? Do, de, do, da, de, da, do, de, do. Did my hand do this on these right here? No, so they definitely are not a quarter note. Did they feel like they were bunched together quick? No, so they were not the beam 16th note. So they are grouped together. All right, let's add the stems on the right side and connect them together with a beam. These are eighth notes that have been beamed together. They move together in a group. They are joined, they move together, a beamed eighth note. So we have only one set of beamed eighth note, or do we have another one? Tell me when to stop. So you would like me to group these together as a beamed eighth note. Okay, all right. Let's look at our cadence now, and let's take our fingers and gently tap on our dots and read it and sing it in Gordon. Marker home. Here we go from the beginning. A finger on the dot. Ready, start, do. You did it. Congratulations.
In this session, students have added more specific information to their song dots. The process is still from sound to symbol. The Gordon rhythm syllables were used as a transition from the text. Students have drawn the notes to correspond with traditional notation and have been given the note names.